Raise up the front of the car. Leave the car in gear, set the e-brake, and block the rear wheels. Optional, remove the under tray. This is secured with 3 12mm bolts and 4 panel clips. Slide the oil catch container underneath the car and remove the oil drain plug using a 17mm socket. Be careful, this oil may be hot. Crack the oil fill cap for a faster drain. After the oil is finished draining, replace the crush washer with a new one and reinstall the oil drain plug. Be careful not to over-tighten. Remove the old oil filter. Use a filter wrench if needed. Be careful, the exhaust manifold and the oil may be hot. Pre-fill the new oil filter and lightly coat the gasket surface with oil. Hand tighten the new filter. Be careful not to over-tighten. Replace the under tray. Using a funnel, carefully refill with 5W30 engine oil. This should take about 4.8 quarts, but be careful not to overfill. Check the dipstick before dumping all the oil in. Level car for final check. Be sure to properly dispose of your oil. If you're enjoying this video, consider hitting like and subscribe to get more tips and to build more stoke for your project. Thanks for watching.